Hey, what is going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing well, and happy Thursday to each and every one of you. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And also, guys, 4th of July is coming up very soon, guys. So hope you guys are going to have a fantastic weekend on 4th of July. So let's get right into this video. All right, I appreciate you guys are tuning into the video. If you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos to you guys gonna be the first one to be notified. Now, give this video a like or a thumbs up. It's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm of getting my video out there to the masses for each and every one for you to see around the world. And you know I have to throw out that disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a simple guy on YouTube just showing you my journey on how I'm making passive income and helping others to do the same. So let's get right into it, guys. E-estate has been flawless, a legitimate opportunity that has been going so smoothly, right? Since I've joined back in October of 2025, guys. All right. And it has been profiting day in, day out, Monday through Friday. Hasn't missed a beat. All right. on withdrawals. When it's time to withdraw, I withdraw my funds. Right now, I've accumulated of $259.53, which is awesome, which is amazing. Now, you got to ask yourself this. Putting your money in your typical savings account or in the banking system would not do you no good, because the moment you exchange your fiat currency in the banking system, they have already lent your money out to different people. Okay, bear that in mind, and they giving you pennies on your dollar. Over here in e-estate, you put your money to work for you on real hard assets, guys. All right, we have numerous of different properties. We just had a recent property, a very popular property, just has been sold out, and unfortunately is the the Hawaii property, guys. The Hawaii property has been sold out, unfortunately. Okay, if you goes through here, all right, there's a lot of properties have been sold out, unfortunately, because what's happening is that people are seeing the vision of these opportunities. They're seeing the vision. They're seeing the vision. I own a share of this. Thank God I positioned myself and I bought a share of this property. Okay. And look, Lake House is still available, which is awesome. The house is sold out. I own a share of this property as well. That has been sold out. The Desert Villa is still available. The Villa Maui, well, not the Villa Maui, the Villa in Los Angeles. I do have a share of this property, which is awesome. The villa has been sold out. All right. The minimum was $4,950 to get access to this property. Okay, and unfortunately it is sold, right? Because remember, guys, people are taking massive action on the property. Okay, they're not playing. This is growing on a massive scale, guys. E-estate is changing lives on a bigger scale. All right, and if you're not a part of this movement, I don't know what to tell you. The only thing I can tell you is to take action now. Be in the forefront now, because don't live to regret this, right? You're going to look back on this video. For those who don't take action, you're going to look back 2 or 3 years from now, and you're going to really wish that you took action on e-estate. Okay? So you can get started, right? You can get started for as low as $10, but don't let $10 be your one-stop shop. Okay, you want to grow. Now with $10, it's not going to give you much, but it's still outperforming keeping your money in the bank, right? And it'll give you a total profit of $15, and your break-even point is 9 months. Now, if you put $100 in, you're earning 42 cents a day, $158.76 in a span of 18 months, but your break-even point is 11 months, and you're earned $8.82 per month. Now, if you add $1,000, now it's getting sweet. Now you're earning $4.20 per day, $88.20 per month. Your total profit in a span of 18 months is $1587.60. Your break-even point is 11 months. Now let's get into one of the amazing properties that I have, the villa. This has been a game changer, and I invested $3,200 into this property. I average around 1952, right? Sometimes it's greater, sometimes it's less, but this is the average. Now your total profit in a span of like 18 months, because remember, we have a 2-income phase model, guys. The first aggressive phase is 18 months, and after the 18 months is over, you will be earning 10% a year, okay? Your break-even point is 7 months. All right, so I'm gonna be transparent, and I'll show you guys my my performance, right? I started with $3,915.66. I've already earned over $3,000, guys. $3,194.76. And these are the properties I've invested in. Okay, I invested in the Miami property. All right, the apartments, the house, the villa. Now the villa, and these are the profits, guys. The villa, I've already made $2,581.12 on the total investment of the property in villa was $3,200 I put in. So I'm coming close soon to $3,000. Very, very soon. It's right around the corner. Okay, and I'm averaging over $20+ a day. Okay, which is phenomenal, guys. Right? Can you imagine your money's working for you, earning you $20 a day, right? A couple of hundred a month that could pay some bills, that can pay for other things, while you have your money working for you, right? And you collecting the interest off your money and be able to pay for the things that you truly want to get, right? That's how the rich lives and the wealthy lives. They put their money to work, right? Instead of the poor and the middle class, they put their money in the bank account, think is doing good for them, which is not. It's actually depreciating their money every single day when you're keeping your money in the bank. They put in their money in assets, a hard asset that is allowing their money to work for them. They don't have to worry about technical stuff. The best part about this opportunity, you don't need to recruit anyone if you don't want to. You don't have to become a landlord, right? You don't have to answer 2 a.m. phone calls. Oh, I need this fixed, I need that fixed. All of that is handled behind the scenes, right? These are profitable properties that is generating passive income on a consistent basis, Monday through Friday. Saturday, Sundays, no profit. Monday through Friday is profit, which is amazing. So if you're serious, if you're ready to take action on e-estate, I'm here to help you. Okay, I'm here to guide you through step by step. So if you're serious, make sure you go to the link in the description right below this video. Now, once you click the link, it's going to pull up a name and email address. What I need you to do, put your full name and your full email. Now, as soon as you do that, you will get a notification right away in your email. Click on verify. Once you click on verify, it's going to bring you to the secondary page of watching the full overview on how e-estate works, how e-estate makes money, and how you can start making passive income. Okay, as soon as you watch that video, the overview video, there is going to be other videos right below that on the onboarding process on how to get started. Okay, and I need you guys to go through all the videos step by step. Do not skip the process. If you do skip the process, it's going to confuse you. The first step is watching the overview video. As soon as you finish watching the overview video, you're going to watch all the other videos right below that videos. Okay, and then you'll be able to get started. You'll be able to learn on how to fund your account and everything and what exchange to use. Okay, very, very simple and easy. And then you're going to join my community. I'm going to welcome you to the community as well, and I look forward to working with you. All right, guys, I appreciate you guys are watching. Don't forget to follow me, like, and share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace out.